Hello designers, in this Affinity Designer tutorial I'm going to show you how to export multi-page PDFs in the correct order. And in order to work with multiple pages, kind of like you see here, I have artboard 1, 2, 3, each one of them will be a page. I need to work with artboards. So how you do that I will show you now. Simply go up to File and New as if you were creating a new document, and then you choose whichever size you want on the left hand side. Then down here, you just click on Create Artboard, and then you click on Create. Okay, that's one way of doing it. Alternatively, don't click on the Create Artboard and just click on Create here. And you've just got one work area to create something in, and you design something. Then you go up to Artboard tool on the left-hand side, click once on that, and then click on Insert Artboard. And you see it's turned it into an artboard. It says artboard 1. And in order to create another page or another artboard, we click on Insert Artboard once more. And if we want to create another one, we'll press it one more time. So artboard 1, 2, 3. And just to note that you can actually duplicate the artboards just by pressing Command J. I've just made a duplicate there. But note that it will say artboard 3 still. So simple enough, you just change that to artboard 4. Okay, let's go back to my example. So I have 3 artboards in front of me. Each one of them will kind of be a page. And my main aim is to export it to a PDF so that they're read or seen in the correct order, 1, 2, 3. So some people may think that if you click and drag on an artboard and just kind of drag it in order here, so it's 1, 2, 3, that this is going to work. Let's go ahead and try it to see whether it does. So File, Export, PDF up here, and area, this is important, whole document, and that will grab all of the artboards, and then we click on export, and I'll just save it to my desktop. Okay, here's the PDF ready for us, and I've just opened it up, and you can see the first page, it says page 1, here's page 2, and then it's page 1, and then it's page 3. But you can see I can scroll through the pages. This is what we wanted, but they're in the wrong order. So let's go back and do it the correct way. So now we know that ordering them here is not going to do anything. And of course, it's in the layers panel. So artboard 1, 2, 3 is there. The correct way to do it, so page 1 should be directly on the bottom. So you just drag that down there. So it's 1, 2, 3 like that. Okay, let's go and export it again. File, Export, PDF. We'll make sure we click on Whole Document and then click Export. Save. And here's our PDF in the correct order. Page 1, page 2, and page 3. Very, very simple. And that's how you export multi-page PDFs in the correct order in Affinity Designer. And that's it for this tutorial. I hope you found this one useful. And if you did, leave me a comment, let me know. And if you want me to create any specific tutorial, also let me know in the comments section. Okay, see you on the next one.